we've covered some positive areas. It's now time to get onto some kind of counter arguments that we could perhaps introduce into our essay. Specifically, we are most interested in the crowding out effect because, as you know, the John Locke question is really all about, it's all about successful business people spending their money or, making money. And this is just where it starts to break down a bit because honestly, successful business people spending their money should have some positive kind of effects on the economy, right? We'd expect it to have positive effects. But actually, it's important to note that there could actually be some sort of overstatements to the situation, right? There could be some kind of overlooking, some oversights when it really comes to stripping apart what happens to price level in particular when the spending by successful business people actually happens, right? And that's exactly what we're going to look at here. First of all, I feel like we must define the crowding out effect somewhere down here. So let's pull out the annotations one more time. So, you know, let's kind of make up a funny thing, let's call it kind of like let's call it like, surface level crowding crowding out effect. Okay. Surface level crowding out effect definition is essentially, if we wanted to give it real surface level meaning, we would simply say something like, the effect where large project expenditure causes an unexpected shortage of economic resources, or just resources, to be honest. It doesn't have to be economic. It causes a large unexpected resource shortage. Um, and with that shortage of resources, it then ends up with kind of prices being forced, upwards. Um, yeah, so prices end up being forced upwards. Uh, this is essentially a kind of demand. No, sorry, it's a cost push inflation, right? This is a form of, cost push inflation is present here, right? So we've got a form of cost push inflation occurring, all because there is a shortage of resources within the economy. So that's really what we're looking at here. So if we were to erase, sorry, let's actually hop across onto the next page, okay, just so we can get a good understanding of what's really going on here. So here we have economic. There are three kind of key types of there's sort of three key types of crowding out effect. We have economic crowding out effect, we have social welfare crowding out effect, and we have an infrastructure crowding out effect.